this week at NASA.
Appearing to be in excellent shape, Soyuz Commander Alexander Skvortsov back on Earth.
After almost 6 months aboard the International Space Station, Expedition 24 Soyuz Commander Alexander Skvortsov, NASA flight engineer Tracy Caldwell-Dyson, and Russian flight engineer Mikhail Konyenko are back on Earth. The trio of explorers made a safe return in the Soyuz TMA-18 spacecraft, landing in southern Kazakhstan. Their flight home was delayed a day when a malfunctioning docking mechanism wouldn't allow their vehicle to separate safely from the station. Their replacements, Soyuz Commander Cosmonaut Alexander Kaleri, Flight Engineer Cosmonaut Oleg Shkropochka, and Expedition 25 Flight Engineer Expedition 26 Commander Scott Kelly, are scheduled to launch aboard a Soyuz spacecraft from the Baikonur Cosmodrome in Kazakhstan on October 7th. They'll join Expedition 25 Commander Astronaut Doug Wheelock, Flight Engineer Astronaut Shannon Walker, and Cosmonaut Fyodor Yurchikhin, who have been aboard the station since June 18th. Veteran astronauts Chris Ferguson, Doug Hurley, Sandy Magnus, and Rex Walheim will make up the crew of STS-335. The mission will fly only if members of STS-134 aboard Space Shuttle Endeavour would need to be rescued. STS-134 is the last scheduled shuttle mission to the International Space Station since the loss of Columbia in 2003. NASA has had a crew ready to fly if a shuttle suffers irreparable damage in orbit. The STS-335 crew will not only train for rescue, but will also stand ready in case a new shuttle mission is added to the launch manifest. If that happens, STS-335 would be redesignated STS-135 and would be targeted to launch in June 2011 aboard Space Shuttle Atlantis. And now, centerpieces.
Preparations continue for the next space shuttle mission to the International Space Station, STS-133. Space Shuttle Discovery is now at Launch Pad 39A at the Kennedy Space Center in Florida, following its move or rollout from the Vehicle Assembly Building. STS-133 is the next to last scheduled shuttle mission and the final flight of Discovery before it's retired. The orbiter and its 6-member crew, commanded by Steve Lindsay, will carry to the station the Permanent Multi-Purpose Module, or PMM, packed with supplies and critical spare parts, as well as the first human-like robot in space, Robonaut 2. Discovery is targeted to launch on November 1st.